Problem number 2, we want to complete some missing graphs, and we need to think about how we're going to do this very carefully. So first of all, we're told here, sorry this is hard to read, this is actually a velocity of 0. And what that means is that I have to fix a position and not move from it for the first part of this. Now what happens is I start off slow, and then I go quicker and quicker and quicker, and I'm going backwards. This doesn't mean slowing down. In fact, what's happening is I'm getting further and further away from the 0 mark, which means I'm getting faster and faster. So it actually turns out I start off slow and I need to go backwards, speeding up, which means that my graph needs to start flat and get steeper and steeper like this. And now for the acceleration. I have no acceleration because my velocity is 0, and here I am constantly negative velocity increasing. So it's a negative rate of increasing negative velocity. Sorry, it's a steady rate of increasing negative velocity. So that means I have a constant negative acceleration. Now for my velocity graph here, I'm in the same place for a long time, so I'm not moving. And then I'm going to start off going slow. This means slow. This means fast. And remember, this negative slope means backwards. Okay, by the way, this would mean forwards on a position graph, that kind of trend like that. So that means we're going to actually go like this. Whoops. For a velocity graph, it's going to actually be like this. Okay, because we're going at a steady rate backwards. I apologize for that. And then for the acceleration, we have no acceleration, and then suddenly we have negative acceleration. So that is it for the graph problem. I erased something that I want to just reinforce. Remember, this means forward on a position graph, and this means back. Okay, just so you remember. This means slow, and this or this means fast. I'm talking about steepness here, okay? All right.